the Patient and Public Involvement Day at the Francis Crick Institute, and we're all here from ICPV, Independent Cancer Patient Voice, and here we've got Ceri, Elsa, Lisa, and me. I'm Steve, and why are we here?
Hi, I'm Lisa. I am here. The theme is Leave No One Behind, so I'm here to bang the drum for paediatric cancer and to learn more and find out what impact I can have on research.
Fantastic. Elsa?
Hi, my name is Elsa. I'm a recent patient advocate, so I'm here to keep educating myself on whatever there is at the moment, what the trends are, and how we can get more support to get involved into research as patient advocates, and of course to meet wonderful people.
I'm talking to wonderful people. Ceri. Hi, Ceri.
Hi, my name's Ceri, and I'm here because I came last year and I learned a lot, so I've come again to learn even more. So there we go.
Great. I mean, it's a patient advocate day, really, isn't it, for research? So it's going to be interesting to see what we get out of it. Quite often I go to a conference and it's all about, in my case, colorectal cancer. So it's all about that. But this is about being us, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll see what we get out. We'll come back later and see how it goes. Here we are, we're middle of the afternoon, and we've been to lots of lectures and lots of sessions and workshops. So how's it been so far?
It's been great. We're just out of a session that was really lovely because it was led by a father and his daughter, a parent advocate and the patient herself, and we really enjoyed it. It was on public speaking as a patient advocate, so a lot of soft skills training, which I think is really useful.
Great. What were you into, Ceri?
Well, I went into about clinical trials and how they're funded, if they're funded, why are they funded, why are some not. It was interesting, but there were some people who were quite dominant about what to talk, so some of us didn't actually say very much.
But did you learn a lot?
I learned a bit,
A bit. You've been to quite a few of these things, though, haven't you?
Yeah. I noticed quite a lot of why things get funded. I think I went to the wrong one. I should have gone to the other one.
Well, that had more ABBA content.
Exactly.
Lisa, you were in the presentations one. Did you find it useful?
Yeah, that's really helpful, thinking about how to present and share. And I guess the confidence to say I'm here and I'm here for a really good reason and my voice should be heard. This morning it was really interesting thinking about diversity and kind of the underrepresented groups, particularly around clinical trials. That was really interesting, and how through our PPIE work we can be asking those questions. How are we reaching those underrepresented groups? So really interesting.
Yeah, what else from the morning did you?
So like Lisa, I was really shocked by some statistics that were presented to us about basically systemic racism in healthcare in general. And so I think we all really needed to hear that. And the presentations were really compelling this morning. So same conclusion as Lisa, really.
And we should be doing more from our point of view to get more inclusivity.
Yeah, and ask the right questions when we're in the room as well.
Anyway, what have we got this afternoon? Last session, there's quite a lot going on, isn't there?
Yeah, it's got
involvement in
research. We're going to be
research.
talking about children's cancer.
Children's
which
cancer.
hasn't really been covered so far. And the current hot topics in cancer research, so I'm curious to find out what they are.
well, finding cancer early, and obviously genetics as well, which...
So we'll see how it goes and catch up at the end. Right, so we come to the end of the Public Patient Involvement Day. How was it? What did you learn? Was it good? Was it worth being here?
Yeah, I mean, I think particularly bizarrely, the last session when she was talking about genetic mutations and everything, I think there's a lot of hope for cancer research in the future.
Yeah, all that stuff about liquid biopsy and MRD, all those things, really hot topics,
Yeah, we just had the afternoon sessions were really, we just had a series of presentations on very different topics, but all of them I found to be really interesting, and of course one of them particularly emotional, with a parent advocate sharing the pictures of her child's journey, so that was highlights, of course, of the day.
Because that was the one about the child with leukemia. Harry.
And the kinder than chemo line of treatment that they managed to receive through a clinical trial.
Immunotherapy.
That was amazing.
Linatumumab. How about you?
That
was one for you, wasn't it, as well?
Yeah, it's been a long day, and there's been a lot to think about and a lot to learn. But we were kind of one of the end sessions. We were thinking about testing and screening, and the importance of doing more and doing more quicker. And the part we can play in kind of advocating for that. So great day, just a lot to take away and think about.
There was a big element in it all about the need for training and educating patient advocates and recruiting more patient advocates, recruiting more diverse patient advocates, the importance of all that. They were really key points, weren't they, today overall, I think. So we've got, with voice, we're in that, aren't we? Especially the training.
Definitely.
And I think we've got a lot to do in that respect, haven't we? So anyway, when we next meet again at summer school, we'll be able to pass on more about this. Great.
See you
Thanks.
there.
See you there.
Bye.